everybody, I'm Io Elise with Big Review TV, and I am here in Pacific Beach in the middle of San Diego to get my grub on at Dirty Birds. Let's take a look.
Dirty Birds has been around for just over 9 years. We just celebrated our 9-year anniversary in August. The inspiration came from the owner, and he just wanted to fill the need to have a good wing joint in San Diego. He noticed that it was kind of lacking in the city, so we established Dirty Birds, where we now have like over 37 flavors of wings, and we're known nationwide. We have chicken wings, obviously, which we're most known for. Over 37 flavors that range from sweet to really spicy, saucy to dry. And then in addition to the wings, we have appetizers, salads, sandwiches, burgers, and desserts. Our signature wings or dishes, so we're known for our Dirty Ranch wing. That's kind of the most popular. It's a play on buffalo, but it's already mixed with ranch, so it kind of eliminates the step of having to dip it in the ranch after or before. And we're also known for our dry rubs, specifically Old Bay being a Ravens bar. We try to cater to the Baltimore people, and you can get some good local flavors from Baltimore right here. So the inspiration from the recipes, a lot of them derive from the owner and a lot of his friends at first when he first started the business. So a lot of our sandwiches and even wing sauces are named after friends or athletes, people who are all incorporated into the back end of the business.
I'm having a great time here at Dirty Birds Pacific Beach. On top of the food, the beer, and all the TVs where you can watch every game that you can imagine, we're only a block away from the beach. So people in San Diego, tourists who are planning on coming down, come down to Dirty Birds. I know they'll be happy to have you. Well, I'm hungry. I gotta get to eating. I'm Io Elise with Big Review TV, and we'll see you next time.